Hey there, Electric Frenzy fam. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the electrifying world of electricity, making the complex simple and fun for everyone. Today, we've got something super cool to share with you. We're talking about how to find hidden treasure. No, not gold or ancient artifacts, but something equally valuable in our modern world: underground electric cables. Now, you might wonder, why do we even need to find these invisible lines of power? Picture this: you're about to dig into your backyard to plant that beautiful tree you just bought, or maybe you're laying the foundation for a new shed. The last thing you want to do is cut through an electric cable. Ouch! Not only is that dangerous, but it could also leave you in the dark, literally. So, how do we avoid this shocking situation? Enter the hero of our story, the cable locator. This gadget might look like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's grounded in some serious science. Let's break it down. When I use this cable locator, it's like playing a high-tech game of hot and cold. The screen lights up with arrows that point me in the direction of the buried cable. There's also this neat, thin line that shows up, mapping out the path of the cable. I simply follow this breadcrumb trail, and voila, I'm on my way to uncovering the hidden paths of power beneath our feet. But here's where it gets really interesting. This device doesn't just tell us where the cable is, it gives us the depth too. That's right, in the bottom left corner of the screen, it tells us how far down we need to dig to find the cable, or better yet, how carefully we need to avoid it. Now, you might be thinking, how does this magic happen? It's all about the principles of electromagnetism. Our cable locator sends a signal into the ground, which then bounces off the cable and returns with the info we need. It's like echolocation, but for electricity. This technique ensures we're not flying blind when we're planning our next big project in areas where these cables lie hidden. Using a cable locator is a crucial step in any excavation activity. It's all about safety first, folks. We're preventing potential accidents and ensuring that our electrical infrastructure remains intact. It's a win-win for everyone. So, next time you're thinking about breaking ground, remember the hidden network of cables just beneath your feet. With the help of a cable locator, you'll not only keep yourself safe but also become a savvy navigator of the underground electric world. Alright, Electric Frenzy crew, if today's journey into the underground world of electric cables sparked your interest, and you're itching to get your hands on the game-changing cable locator we showcased, I've got some electrifying news for you, with a quick pro tip to supercharge your experience. Head on over to the video description right now. We've dropped a link that'll zap you straight to Amazon where you can grab this must-have gadget for yourself. But here's the deal: to unlock the full potential of this device and become a true underground detective, remember, those cables need to be energized for the locator to work its magic. And for those of you keen on uncovering non-energized cables or even sneaky water pipelines, don't worry, we've thought of everything. Consider adding a RIDGID transmitter to your cart. I added its link in the description too. Together, they form an unstoppable team, ensuring nothing stays hidden, whether buzzing with electricity or lying dormant. So, why wait? Click that link, grab both the cable locator and the transmitter, and power up your toolkit. See for yourself how these tools transform your next project by making it safer and infinitely cooler. Become a master of the underground with us. Let's dig into the future, safely and smartly, with the right tools in hand. Check it out now and take your first step towards a safer, more informed digging experience. Happy hunting! That's all for today's electrifying adventure. If you found this information as fascinating as I do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Electricity Frenzy, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future journeys into the electric unknown. Stay safe, stay curious, and as always, stay electrified.